Breakfast time. Oh yeah, good old pork sausage on an open fire. Here's your chef, outdoor chef Lindsay, with her spatula pose.
Well, I'm holding it.
Another morning Z's Ranch. What you doing?
Organizing some outlet covers.
All right. We got our electrical order in, thanks to Travis Brothers Supply Incorporated, Beaumont, Texas.
Thanks, Clayton.
Yeah. And today our main goal is to start mounting all of our electrical boxes and drilling the holes for our wire down there. Once we get that done, we'll be mounting our electrical or our main breaker box, which is right here, and then putting in the breakers, a bunch of these guys, and then running the wire through the holes that we drilled. And after that, we'll start connecting everything up and eventually run the main power line to the house, or to the main breaker on the pole, which is about 15 feet away from the house. And then we'll go. We'll have power to this joint, so enjoy the video. Electrifying the Love Shack. One thing I'm working on is I'm cutting these 2x6s right here. Look like this piece. Oh no, right here, sorry. Which is going to be the cross members for our attic right here. Sorry, that's confusing on the camera. That piece, and then there. Cool. So I've already made my first cut to make sure it actually fits. That was that one. I'm going to cut a few more and put them in. All right, we got we got 5 of them cut. I do have 7 beams up there, and the reason I only have 5 is I decided to make a last-minute change in how long I wanted my cross members to be. So because of that, it ate up a little bit more lumber than I intended to, but I like the end product better, and it'll give us a little bit nicer of a flat spot on our ceiling for lighting and whatnot. So a little last-minute change. Now it's time to go put those guys in. So we got all kind of stuff, 2x4s, electrical boxes, cross members for the roof, and new floors pretty much done in the first 2 weeks. We should be routing some electricity tomorrow and starting on that side of the roof, only because it's a side that doesn't have trees and crap on top of it. Good progress. The Love Shack. Our dinner cook fire. We use the same embers from this morning. We just got those guys going, right, babe?
Right.
She may have cheated.
I did it.
She may have cheated and used cardboard.
And a lighter.
But either way, we've
But
been,
I did blow on it, and the embers were warm.
Yep. We're not going to say anything about that. But beautiful evening. Got some new decor, new lights. There's a ghost, or like a Grim Reaper hanging above it, and also a ghost hanging out in the woods behind it. Got our Halloween decor up, but another wonderful evening at Z's Ranch. Made some good progress on the property today. We'll leave you with this beautiful cooking fire.